Hi. At TouchTech, we make it easy to sell more for salespeople that are working in wholesale. With TouchTech DSR, salespeople can triple their sales capacity. They become much more data-driven and prepared to tell a great story of the collection, no matter if the customer meeting is in the showroom, online, or on the road. And it's just great. Salespeople tell me they love DSR. However, as with all great digital tools, the more advanced features that are introduced, the more complicated and unintuitive they become to use. That also applies to TouchTech. And I think we can all relate to a salesperson trying to navigate B2B shops, ERPs, and Power BIs, and an ever-growing number of complicated digital tools. So no wonder why they feel concerned about where to find what data, or even afraid of making mistakes. That is why I feel super excited today to unveil a groundbreaking new concept designed to simplify complexity and elevate sales performance, not just threefold, but tenfold or more. I have asked my colleague Stefan to demo TouchTech DSR application with assisted intelligence, as if he was a salesperson preparing for a customer meeting. Let's have a watch.
Hey, DSR.
Good morning, Stefan. Ready for a productive and fun day of selling?
Absolutely. Let's get started.
Great. Today's first meeting is with Robert Smith, a buyer at Brothers. I've already prepared relevant insights for you. Should we proceed to create a proposal for the autumn-winter collection?
Absolutely. I remember I had a call with them just the other day, and they mentioned that their business is going really well, so that's good to hear. I would say let's start by having a look at their last year's orders. Can you bring them up?
Certainly. Last year, Robert placed a pre-order of 20 styles with a total of 347 items, representing 13,100 euros for the autumn-winter collection. This is a summarized breakdown categorized for clarity.
Thanks. And can you also show me the actual styles?
Sure thing.
All right. And I remember they also sent us their sellout data, actually. Can you bring that up as well?
I've analyzed the Excel Robert sent and extracted sellout statistics organized by both category and individual style. Here's the overview.
Awesome. I think we pretty much nailed it then last year. I think that also means we can probably add a bit more extra this year. So I guess 10, 15%, something like that. Do they have anything incoming right now?
Looking at previous order data, yes, Robert currently has an incoming order consisting of 7 styles totaling 1,900 euros, scheduled for delivery in September 2025.
All right. Of course, we need to keep those in mind then. Speaking of which, is there anything else I shall have in mind?
Looking through my notes from previous meetings, Robert strongly favors a blend of commercial appeal, good margins, and contemporary elegance without overly trendy elements. He also mentioned his customers in northern UK predominantly prefer earthy tones and outfit-driven purchasing. Robert specifically dislikes graphic or large prints.
Now I'm wondering, we have this global strategy that we always want to promote, especially the focus items and the best performing styles. Can you show me which of those would fit Robert?
Based on Robert's documented preferences, these highlighted global key styles would be an ideal alignment for his store.
Yeah. All right. Makes sense. Then let's have those in mind. Great. I think we're pretty much set then. So I would like you to set up a draft basket to get started.
Here's the complete autumn-winter collection. I'll start by grouping them by category. As a first step, I will filter out styles that do not meet Robert's preferences and past purchase history. Furthermore, considering the incoming orders, I'll exclude any overly similar items. Aiming for approximately 26 styles would match your indicated 15% increase. Do you agree with targeting this number?
Yeah, sounds about right. And then, as I said, keep in mind especially the key items and the best performing ones so that we push those.
Understood. Here's a carefully curated selection of 26 styles. How do you feel about these items?
Looks good, I think. Yeah, I think he likes that one. Let's see. Maybe this one here is a bit too plain, I would say. Do you have any alternatives?
Certainly. Here are several alternative sweatshirt styles aligned closely with Robert's preferences.
Yeah, I think here definitely we should go for this one.
Understood. Good decision. Would you like to adjust anything further? Or shall we create the proposal complete with quantities?
I think this looks pretty good. So yeah, please go ahead and suggest some quantities for him.
Here is the completed basket proposal totaling around 15,500 euros, reflecting approximately a 15% increase from last year. I've also recommended color assortments for each style. Would you like any modifications?
No, I think that's pretty much on spot. Then, of course, for Robert, it's usually very important that he can visually see very clearly how he can merchandise these things and also which kind of outfits he can create. So out of this basket, can you create me a presentation that's a bit more visual?
Absolutely. To support your storytelling and boost merchandising effectiveness, I suggest we create 5 thoughtfully curated outfit concepts.
Awesome. That one already looks pretty nice. I always love the titles you come up with. Casual Confidence, Commercial Winners. Yeah, I'm sure he likes that one. Let's see. Trend Conscious Commercial. The colors. Yeah, exactly. That's what he likes as well. Here I'm wondering, can you tell me maybe some pointers of how I can promote this one especially?
Certainly. The cornerstone style here is the sleek dark denim jeans, a proven bestseller offering strong versatility. Paired effectively with the heavy knit and overshirt, ideal commercial styles at attractive price points. This combination delivers authenticity and enduring appeal. The inclusion of the premium leather jacket touch adds subtle trend awareness. Lastly, this outfit's selected earthy color palette aligns closely with Robert's historically strong sellers.
Great, thank you.
And that was it. I think with DSR, Assisted Intelligence, we will give salespeople superpowers. Thank you so much.